Hi guys, in this video, I'll be explaining to you how to reach the Squad League in Squad Busters. Well, Squad League is unlocked at the end of the world journey. First is you need to reach the level 150. So, gaining XP in Squad Busters is easy. You just need to top 1 every single battle that you have, or at least top 3 in every single battle. And also you can purchase a gem pass for added XP or experience in your games. You can also use the challenges or do the challenges since it offers bonus XPs. Well, Squad League is again unlocked at the end of the world journey. In this league, all players in the battle use the same squad, which is refreshed every 12 minutes. Furthermore, all battles outside party mode reward trophies, allowing to compete in the friends, local, and global leaderboards. This squad league is composed of multiple leagues, which offers a reward path with 100 tiers, which are for bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and ultimate. So that's it. That's how you can reach the Squad League and also what is Squad League in Squad Busters. And thank you for listening.